Cash App cannot send money. So first thing first guys, since I don't have an access to create a Cash App account in my region, I'll be using screenshot and official information to walk you through the process. Now to fix Cash App cannot send money, the first thing what you can do is check the limits and verify identity. Open the Cash App, then log into your account. Once logged in, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Now tap on limits to see if you have reached your weekly maximum, or tap personal or security and privacy to verify your full legal name, date of birth and social security number if unverified. Now to fix bank and card issues, remove your old debit card under the linked banks menu and re-enter your card details. Make sure that you have enough money in your balance or linked bank account, or call your bank to make sure that they are not blocking peer-to-peer app transfers. Now to fix app and connection issues, go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Cash App, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Also, double check the recipient's exact cash tag or phone number before trying again. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.